One of my students, Huda, asked me how to write a new explanation for the phenomena. I'll tell you how I helped her organize her ideas to answer the question easily. The first explanation that Huda wrote in her book is that, let me show it to you. The motor and electricity give the train energy to start moving and going up. While the train is going down, it doesn't need electricity because it has stored the energy. The stored energy is converted into another form of energy while the train goes down. Have you noticed that this explanation depends on what you have read in the text about the roller coaster? When I read Huda's first explanation for the roller coaster phenomena, I asked her to underline all the sentences that express energy in her explanation, like the phrase, the electricity and motors give the train energy. The stored energy is converted into another form. Look carefully. What is the meaning of it uses electricity? It means it uses electrical energy to start its motion, and it's provided with motor. This means it has a role in pulling it up. What about the stored energy? The stored energy is gravitational potential energy that has been transformed into kinetic energy. Have you ever thought before why the roller coasting is an exciting phenomenon, and why is it related to energy and its transformation? The motor in the rails can pull the roller coaster cars to reach the highest point at the beginning of its motion. Then, all the thrilling movements of the roller coaster depends mainly on energy transformations, speed and gravitational position energy, اللي هي gravitational pushing force. Also, the increase in the roller coaster kinetic energy and speed happen because of the design of the game tracks, which depend on slope and sliding. I think Huda's new explanation can be: the roller coaster uses electrical energy from the rails. خدتوا بالكم غيرنا كلمة electricity ل electrical energy. And pulling force of the motors which help it climb up the hill. The train store an amount of gravitational potential energy. وهنا حولنا كلمة stored energy ل stored gravitational potential energy until it reaches the highest point. Gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy as the train goes down. Huda may think that when the height and the mass of an object increase, the greater gravitational potential energy it will have. كل ما هيزيد الارتفاع وكل ما الماس بتاعت الترين دي هتزيد، يعني هيبقى أتقل، كل ما الجرافيتيشنال بوتنشال انرجي بتاعته هتزيد، فبالتالي الكاينتيك انرجي بتاعته هتبقى أسرع. So she can add to her explanation that the greatest gravitational potential energy is when the roller coaster is at the top of the hill, and the opposite when it's down the hill. هيبقى عنده أقل gravitational potential energy. See, it was easy to explain the roller coaster phenomena.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.